Hello, this is my second time recording this because the first time I forgot to check to see if my sound was working and it wasn't. I'm not salty about it at all. Anyway, I want to give Mad Madigan, one of my subscribers, a thank you for bringing this to my attention. What they brought to my attention was something called F string, also known as literal string interpolation. It's a way to concatenate strings and integers together um, in a way that you don't have to. Let me just show you how about that. So normally what I've been showing you guys regarding like variables and pushing them together is this way. So I'm just gonna do this. All right, I don't know your age, so I'm just gonna assume that 20 seems like a good number. Seems safe, so that's what we're gonna go with. All right, so normally what I do is I print something like this. So this is normally how I do it, right? So if I run this, then it prints out what, is expected. And you have to wrap your integer here around a string tag, or else it'll give you an error. Which, can be a pain, because if you forget, then you're going to run into an error. The other way to do it, the new way that I'll be using from now on, is using an F string. So you start with just F and then your single quotes, and now when you put in a variable, you put it in brackets, and right, so then if I print this, prints it out perfect, and I don't have to do anything extra. It's even easier because now you don't have to concatenate it or worry about putting spaces in so it's not squished together, because if you forgot to put spaces in here, then you would get something like this where it's squished. So this is a better way to do it, and if you want to see anything else or have a better way to do something, please let me know in the comments. I learn and other people learn, and that's great. And if you learned anything from this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.